In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently hide sold-out products on your Shopify store. Managing the availability of your products not only helps in maintaining a professional and uncluttered storefront, but it also maximizes the shopping experience for your customers. So let's dive right into the details of how you can keep those sold-out items out of sight, or at least out of reach, until they are back in stock. First, let's talk about unpublishing products. This method is fairly straightforward. You'll begin by navigating to the product you'd like to hide in your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, look for the Publishing section and click on Manage. Here, you can uncheck the sales channels, such as your online store, where you want to hide the product. Saving these settings will ensure that the product is no longer visible on those sales channels. The second method involves changing the product status to draft. For this, head over to the product page in your Shopify admin. You'll see an option to change the status, switch it to draft, and then hit Save. This simple change means the product is essentially removed from the storefront view and safely tucked away until you're ready to restock. Another powerful tool at your disposal is the use of automatic collection rules. Within your Shopify admin, click on Products and then proceed to Collections. Choose the collection you wish to modify and go to the Conditions section. Click Add Another Condition, and from the drop-down menus, select Inventory Stock, followed by Is Greater Than, and then enter 0 into the field. Press Save. By setting this rule, sold-out products will automatically vanish from that particular collection, creating a more dynamic and efficient inventory system on your site. For those interested in automation, consider using inventory management apps available on Shopify. These apps can make your life easier by automatically hiding or even demoting out-of-stock items in your store. They can also sort products based on stock levels and provide low stock alerts, allowing you to manage your inventory with minimal effort. Finally, if you prefer to keep sold-out products visible but want to hide their prices, you can employ some simple CSS tweaks. Use this on the product page to conceal the price, keeping the product visible but reducing buyer confusion over availability. A couple of important considerations to keep in mind. First, the customer experience. If you decide to hide sold-out products completely, ensure that customers can still find them if they have direct links. A handy option might be redirecting users to another page or offering a Notify Me When Back in Stock feature. Secondly, think about search engine optimization. Hiding products could impact your search engine rankings, so consider using tools to keep these products indexed if needed. And there you have it. With these straightforward techniques, you can skillfully manage the availability of products in your Shopify store, enhancing both user experience and operational efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!